morning, this is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping. We are out in Ada, Michigan today, and we're doing kind of a unique project for our customer. They have this existing pond. There's no liner. It's a spring-fed pond. So what we're going to do is we're going to rebuild this waterfall for them. There's a lot of areas along the sides and underneath that water has been leaking through. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come in with our equipment. We're going to completely demo this waterfall. We're going to take it apart and we're going to pump all this water. So we're bypassing the waterfall. We got a stream here that goes all the way down into a natural body of water. So we're going to pump all this water out. We're probably going to add another pump to get this water moved out as quickly as we can. But our goal here today is to rebuild a brand new waterfall for them and get it to be sealed tight. So we'll probably, after we get this emptied out, we're going to determine if we need to put liner down or liner and fabric or just geotextile fabric. And we're going to use waterfall foam and gravels, and we're going to seal this whole thing off and make a nice tight seal through here and see how we can get this brand new waterfall built for them. So we will send some updates here on our project, and just wanted to start with a video and kind of give an intro to the project. Thank you so much. This is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping. We are at the point here where we got all this mortared rock out. So we've got our pumps in here pumping water around. We can look over here that they're still pumping strong. This pond has a pretty strong spring in the middle. We haven't found where the spring is at, but the pumps have been going steady. And what we're going to do now is we're going to build ourselves a shelf, just like this was a regular water feature. We're going to bring sand in here and build ourselves a nice vertical 90-degree shelf. So we're going to build a nice shelf here. Our waterfall is going to be right along the back here. So we're going to fill this up, and we're going to dig a 90-degree shelf. Then we're going to take our liner, and we're going to have that liner start back here and overlap over, and we're going to dig a trench back in this space. We're going to dig a trench and have that liner going straight down into the ground. So hopefully most of our water will come over this instead of going underneath that liner. So there's no liner in this pond. These are just some mats on the side. There's no liner here, so we're going to do our best to get as tight of a seal as we can. So we're gonna get this area flattened and get our liner in, and then we'll show you what we're going to do next. Hello, this is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping. We are completed with the natural waterfall. We got everything all lined in, so we actually tucked our liner back behind this area. We dug a trench and we dug it down about 18 inches straight down. So the liner came out and then straight down behind, and we buried it in all the sediment, and then we foamed in all the rocks and gravels along the front and around the sides, and it turned out pretty well. The spring is actually pushing, we think, about 9,000 to 10,000 gallons per hour, because we had pumps pumping it out and the water was staying pretty consistent. So this is all a spring-fed pond with no liner. So we were able to accomplish a pretty good waterfall with no liner. So just wanted to share how things turned out, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you so much.